Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute and very attractive paper quilling gift box, and this time I have created in little English colors. All the decoration is in the pastel shades along with the combination of beautiful rose paper pack, and the lid is having the magnetic closure. You can simply pull the flap like this and push it to close the lid. And tada! Inside this I have created the shadow box where I have added some gifts, and it's very easy to make and it looks fabulous from inside. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking light green color cardstock, which is 14.5 by 18 centimeters. Now from left side I will start creasing it at 1.5 centimeters, 6.5 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 13 centimeters. To crease it I am using ruler and ball tool. Can you see the crease lines? Now on this side also I am making some markings. From left side marking at 1.5 and from right side also I am marking at 1.5 centimeters. Now this is the first crease line and this is the second crease line. So on this second crease line also we have to mark at 1.5 centimeters from both the sides. Now just joining these markings, and diagonally we have to join the marking till the third crease line like this. Similarly repeating on left side. And after doing the marking, we have to cut the pencil part using the scissor. Now I am folding all the creases and burnishing it very well using bone folder to make it crisp and tight. Now just folding this flap and sticking with the last flap. So the one side of shadow box is ready. So easy to make. And with the same method I have prepared one more. Then for the other side I am taking one more cardstock which measures 14.5 by 9 centimeters, and from left side I have creased at 1.5, 6.5, 8 and 13 centimeters. Now I am folding all the creases and burnishing it very well. Then we just need to join the first flap with the last one and we'll get the pipe kind of shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more. So all four sides are ready, and now it's time to construct the box shape. So we have to add little glue in the corners and stick these flaps with each other. And the shadow box is ready. Then here I am making lid. For this I am taking 25.5 by 18 centimeter cardstock, and from left side I have creased at 9 centimeters, 14 and 23 centimeters. So I have already folded all the creases and burnished it. Then here I have added one flap. Similarly, I'm taking one more flap which is 5 by 2 centimeters, just folding it from center and sticking it like this. So it will cover the corner of the shadow box. Now taking back my shadow box, and I have already covered two corners using the connectors, and remaining two corners will be get covered through these panels. So just adding glue in the bottom and sticking the lid. So lid is attached nicely with the box. Now it's time to connect the magnet to make it close. In the back of this I have added beautiful rose floral print pattern paper. Now I have already attached one magnet on the left side. Similarly adding one more magnet. So just adding double-sided tacky tape, attaching the magnet. It should be exactly aligned just like the left side. Now putting one more magnet on this, added double-sided tape on this, so just stick it on the other side and you will get the exact position of the magnets. And it's nicely attached. Now it's time to cover the magnetic part using cardstock strip. Similarly in the front I am adding this beautiful floral pattern paper. And in the same way I am going to cover the remaining parts with the pattern papers. So it's completely covered from all the sides. It's quite sturdy and hard, and it's nicely made. Now it's time to decorate the lid from top. So here I'm taking this beautiful maroon cardstock which measures 17.5 by 8.6 centimeters, and I'm just sticking it on the top. Then decorating this using some triangular pattern paper. And adding one square in the center in the diamond shape. Like this. Then to decorate it using paper quilling, here I am taking 4 1/4 strips of light green color in 2 mm and just gathering all together, folding it from center and start rolling it and create the scroll. Like this. Similarly, I have prepared total 8 scrolls for the centerpiece. Now I'm taking half strip of white color, dividing it in 4 parts, again doing the same process and making the scroll. Similarly, we need total 8 white color scrolls. Then taking back my box, and I'll start attaching these light green and white scrolls to decorate my centerpiece. Like this, so pretty. Then for the next design, here I am taking half strip of light pink color and 1 strip of dark red color and making one tight coil. Then for the next design, I am taking half strip of teal blue color and making one tight coil. Similarly, we need total 4 teal blue tight coils. Now I am taking 1 strip of pink color, wrapping it around the pencil and making the ring shape. Now just pinching the ring from one corner and making the drop shape. Similarly, we need total 4 ring drops. Now taking back my box, and first I am adding these 4 teal blue color tight coils. On top of this I am adding the big tight coil, and between these scrolls I am adding these pink color teardrop shapes. Very beautiful. Now I'm adding some more designs. So inside the teardrop I'm adding one small teardrop of dark maroon color, which is made using 1/4 strip, and one tight coil on the top, which is made using 1/4 strip of white color. In the same way I am decorating the right side. Here we just need to do the half of the design, and I am taking the color combination just like the base of the box. So I am just doing the matching of the box, and that's why I have used light green, white and pink shades. So it will look very nice English themed decoration. With the similar method, I am going to decorate the left side of the box. So it is completely covered and this is looking absolutely gorgeous. Now the remaining 3 parts also have decorated, and I will show you how to decorate the 4th part. So here I am taking silver mirror cardstock triangle and just connecting on top of the maroon triangle. I have kept little border so that the maroon cardstock will also visible. Then I'm taking one small piece of light green color cardstock. Again, this is little smaller than the silver one. And then on top of this, I'm adding this beautiful die cutout which is cut on pink cardstock, and this is the die by Dress My Craft. All the supply links are given in the description box. If you want to purchase anything, you can go through those links. Now I'm just adding little half cut pearl to decorate this, and also I've decorated the lid opening using this beautiful border design. This border is from Itsy Bitsy. So I'm just decorating this as well using half cut pearls. And the gorgeous box is ready. Now my friend's birthday is coming very soon, so I am going to gift some of the MAC cosmetics to her, and I have just packed it nicely inside the box. And the gorgeous and super fantastic box is ready. I am just loving the outcome so much. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.